Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Puneet, founder of Seminar Room. I was a faculty of management for more than a decade before I started Seminar Room. Couple of years ago, we had invited one of our alumni students to interact with our current batch. During the session, he mentioned how the talk by one of the entrepreneur was so informative and inspiring that gave him the direction towards becoming an entrepreneur, even though he comes from a very poor economic background. As of today, he is an entrepreneur incubated at NSRCL at Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, and he is the owner of $1 million company called Selvitate. His name is Mr. Charit Kashyap, and he is the CEO of Selvitate.com, which we are proud of. And my friends, that is the power of industry expert talks at colleges. If one such great industry expert was able to motivate a young boy to take up an entrepreneurial journey, what would be the impact of the same speaker if he reached out to all young guns of this country at the same time? Can't we have students inspired to take up research, liking for specific subjects, or solving problems at large? Keeping this at the background, I began my research on understanding how industry expert sessions are conducted at different colleges to make it more effective. To my surprise, most of the colleges are not investing enough to motivate students as to why they should study a specific subject. There are two major reasons for this: lack of knowledge on industry requirement at colleges and lack of industry connects. That is where the idea of Seminar Room emerged. At Seminar Room, we have mapped academic curriculum with industry trends to give students a mixed bag of industry exposure, deep interest, and experience learning. We have built a strong network of industry experts mapping each of these sessions. This is where, through our tech platform, colleges and students can discover, register, and attend an event online. Please note, we have more than 50,000 higher education institutions with more than 12 crore students looking to build their career in the coming years. Today's greatest leaders like Modi, Dhoni, Sundar Pichai, Sridhar Vembu, and soon others of the world haven't even come from Tier 1 cities. Imagine how these stories could inspire aspiring students from such cities. Understanding this need, we have already begun this process and serving 10 plus colleges in Bangalore. Our website is currently being developed and have plans to scale up to 100 colleges by June. Having mapped out the courses for number of university syllabi, we ensure that our topics have applicability pan-India. We are also ready to acquire speakers to deliver the sessions as and when needed. We aim to take this to every corner of this country to inspire and make our young minds to be well prepared to build this career. Please join hands with us. Thank you for your time.